In order to start sending emails with our software, this includes manual emails, automated emails, and bulk emails. You'll want to set up a dedicated email sending domain with our software. So we're going to do that in this video. We're going to go down to settings, and then we're going to go to where it says email services. And then we're going to click create dedicated domain. This is going to take us to this page right here where we can type in our dedicated domain. Usually the best way to do this is going to be info dot whatever your domain is. So mine is vafinder.io. Make sure you put in here the correct domain that you've actually purchased. If yours is business.com, make sure to put business.com. The first part, info dot, can be whatever you want it to be. It could be info, it could be John dot. The first part you can change, but the last part has to match your domain exactly. So just make sure that's correct there. And then we're going to click add and verify. And then it's going to pop up like this, and we're able to quickly connect our domain right here. We're going to hit continue. And then it knows that we have our domain hosted with GoDaddy. In this example, you may have your domain hosted with a different domain provider, which is totally fine. It'll pop up here and you just need to authorize the domain. If yours are not showing as verified like mine are right here, you may have to hit back to dedicated domains and then click verify now again. And then when you come back in, they should all be verified. If they're not getting verified, you can reach out to us at support, but then you're just gonna click verify domain again, and it'll reroute us back here and it'll say SSL issued. So that's what we're going for. We wanna make sure it says SSL issued. That means our email is set up and ready to go, and we can start sending emails inside of our software. Every new email that you create is not going to deliver well at first. You need to warm up your email. And so this new email that we just created here, which is info.vafinder.io, is our dedicated email. We can send multiple hundreds of emails a day using this, but at first a lot of them will go to spam as a new email. Google, Yahoo, AOL, they don't see the new email as reputable yet. They want to see that you've sent some emails first. So go ahead and start warming up your email. Start emailing yourself, maybe some of the other emails that you've created for your business, and start sending yourself emails so that you can get this domain warmed up, and then it'll start delivering well after a few weeks of sending a few emails every day. Now that you've set this up, you can start sending emails out to all of your leads and customers, and you can do it through bulk email. I'll show you over here if we go back and then we go to our contacts tab. I'll create a lead really quick. I'm just gonna name him John and then Smith, and then I'll put in an email like johnsmith@gmail.com, just a fake email, and then I'll hit save. And so now we can email John Smith. His info is over here on the left, but this is where we can type the email. By default, your name will be put in this box here, the from name. The from email will be your email that you've created. So you can actually mask over the email that we just created inside of the software with whatever other email you want it to look like it's sending from. So you can put whatever email you want here, and this is what will show to the lead when they receive the email that the email was sent from, which is really cool. And then the subject line, we can type whatever and then type the message, and then we can send this email out to our lead. So you can send emails that way. You can also send emails through the conversations tab. If you already had a previous conversation with somebody, you can send those here the same way. And then we can also go to our marketing tab here, and then we can go up to emails, campaigns, and we can send emails and create campaigns here under our email campaigns tab. I'll show you more into that in another video, but that's how you set up your email, and that's the basis of how we can send emails using our software. Another thing you can do once your email is set up, you can go to the reply and forwarding settings underneath our email services in the settings. Go here, and then you can add a forwarding address. So if you want all the emails to go to a certain inbox that you have, maybe it's one of your business emails, and you don't want to have to go into the software every time to see the emails that you've received from your leads and clients, you can put your own forwarding email address right here. And then you can also add a reply address. So instead of people replying to the email inside of our software that we just set up right here, we can have them reply to a different email, and maybe you want to continue the conversation in a different email inbox. And so you can set that all up inside of the reply and forwarding settings.